A snow is falling, a snow of God's blessing. It's a rain is falling, a rain of harvest. And being parts of this atmosphere guarantees that you become partaker. See, rain cannot be falling in this place and you come here and you are not soaked. It naturally falls on you. So as you come in, you become partaker of the goodness of the Lord God that you have enjoyed. Your life is turned around. The Lord gives you a testimony. You experience God firsthand. It's no longer a thing you read in the book. Your own life also preaches the faithfulness of God. And that is why I'm so bold to invite you to come and not just only thank God with us, but come and also partake of his goodness for which we are thanking him. And your life will not be the same. You will leave here with a testimony, I assure you.